Welcome back to my 3-minute video. And yeah, teka lang, tumatawid tayo. Gusto ko lang kayong kamustahin. Kamusta ang Sunday nyo? As for me, it's been quiet and I'm having a little bit of my alone time, thinking of many things. But yeah, medyo marami tayong iniisip. Medyo nalungkot din this past few days. But of course, I am trusting God's perfect timing na maging masaya ako ulit. Yung talagang super saya. Medyo may mga dinaramdam lang. Grabe makaganon eh. And what else? Kayo, kamusta Sunday nyo? Papunta kaming church ngayon. Kayo sana nakapag-church na or mag-church. Of course, lagi tayo magsimba every Sunday and reflect tayo at pray tayo kay Lord Jesus na tulungan tayo na maging buo, maging masaya. And ayun, let's just keep going even though sometimes meron tayong mga pinagdadaanan. Trust God, smile pa din. Alam nyo, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na hindi lahat ng naka-makeup, nakaayos, or nakangiti sa social media, happy sila. So, always be kind. Kahit naman hindi lang sa social media, kahit sa personal, pag may nakita kayong tao, nakangiti sila, tumatawa, that doesn't mean that they are very, very okay. Lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan in life, so talagang choose to be kind. And pag may mga mangyari mang stressful sa mga ginagawa natin in life, ayun, huwag tayong magpadalos-dalos sa init ng ulo at piliin pa rin natin maging kalmado at maging kind talaga. Syempre, hindi mo naman pwedeng pilitin yung sarili mo na maging masaya right away. Trust mo din yung process talaga. Ito pala, may dala akong syempre pag nag-church ko, ilalak ko yan kasi medyo nagpapakita ang aking tiyan. Alam mo naman, mahilig tayo sa crop top. And ayan, nakakatuwa. Paitingan nyo, terno yung ipit ko. Pusa yan, Ming Ming! At saka, ayan, choose your cat. Ang cute, no? Ay, what else? Please do not forget to follow my personal account na Road to 8,000 followers. Nakakatawa kayo, alam nyo from zero. Kakasabi kong i-follow nyo yung Karen Grace TV na Road to 8,000 followers. Thank you so much. And also follow Munsi Facebook page. Subscribe to Munsi YouTube channel para supportan ng pag-artista at pag-acting ko. And then, pagiging director, writer, and editor ko as well. And also, please do follow me on TikTok and Instagram, Kid Valentine Official, and Twitter or X. That's I am Kid Valentine. Ayan lang. I'll see you guys later. Maraming salamat. Tandaan nyo, ano pa man yan, dapat happy lang. It's okay to be sad, pero dapat happy lang. Wala tayong magagawa. Sinabi ko na yan eh. Dapat happy lang. Love you all. Bye-bye. Bye-bye pala. Sorry about that.